So this is the exhaust that came on the car when I got it. And it started out life as a Kakimoto Regu 06R system, which is pretty nice, but it had this giant muffler you can probably see right there in the box, along with the cat. And I was having a little bit of an issue with it scraping on my stupid driveway because I have a really dumb driveway design. And also I wanted to delete the cat. So had my brother help me cut out the muffler and weld in some section of 80mm stainless that I bought. And then it didn't sound good. I wasn't happy with it. So I bought this resonator, kind of a cheap one, just to see if it would help. And I threw this in and it really didn't help at all. So now this system is kind of a hybrid, mangled, not great system. You know, it's fine. If you were going to use this like for track only or something like that, because of the way it sounds great at high RPM, but it sounds like ass at low RPM and just like putting around the neighborhood and, you know, normal driving type stuff. Let's get to pulling this old exhaust out and putting the new one in. It is unbelievable how light this is. It's insane that you can get this level of Japanese engineering and quality and craftsmanship for as cheap as this exhaust is. Now, I know it sounds kind of silly saying like that a $1,200 exhaust system is cheap, because I completely understand that that's a lot of money. You know, I've had a lot of project cars. I've spent and wasted a lot of money on, you know, parts and things that I redid later. And the theory of buy once, cry once, you know, pays off in the long run. I've spent, like I said, so much extra money, wasted so much money because I was impatient. I did something that, you know, I could afford at the time, but if I just would have waited a few months and saved up, I could have got the thing I actually really wanted. But it's totally worth it to, like, looking back on all the cars I've had. You know, my last project car was a, you know, 600 plus wheel horsepower, 2JZ single turbo IS300. And I had a full 4-inch stainless exhaust on it, but I got lucky. I got the material for it, really cheap from a friend who was a fabricator. And my brother helped me fab up that exhaust and did a really nice job building that exhaust. But I mean, full 4-inch turbo back on a 4-door car is incredibly heavy. This is just unreal, dude. Like, so I guess my point with that is, if you are interested and want to like have a quality part like this, you know, something that saves you weight, something that sounds incredible, is engineered and built incredibly well, just save up and buy the nice parts. It's so worth it in the long run. Unreal. I'm probably going to keep saying that and sound like an idiot on this video, but it's insane. And then, of course, our box of installation goodies. The silencer is interesting to me because it looks like it's different than what I remember seeing of the other silencers. It has like a secondary insert. This is a anti-rattle tubing to go on the springs. This is the mounts and the protectant rubber to go around the muffler mount. And then we got the muffler mount bracket assembly. Super nice. Got my nuts, bolts, springs, gasket, that stuff. Got some stickers, cool little Tomei chrome badge. It's kind of cool. And a license plate frame. So, I mean, realistically, the only reason I bought this exhaust is because I really wanted the license plate frame. Idiot. So that really wasn't too bad to do. Super lightweight, obviously easy to do by yourself. The old one, a little heavy, but it's not too terrible to get off by yourself. It's all on there, good to go, fits perfectly. Everything lines up beautifully. The springs, which I've heard people complain about, really aren't that bad if you have a nice set of pliers. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward, simple, and easy to do. So let's clean it up and fire it up. Getting high on some brake clean fumes. It sounds incredible, and it's actually not as loud as I was expecting. Now, that could be because I do have the stock cat still in it. When we get the test pipe, obviously that'll be the true test, if you will, of how much sound, you know, the cat actually absorbs. I know it can be quite a bit. So yeah, I'm super freaking stoked on this. It sounds incredible. Couldn't be happier. So you haven't been in it since the new exhaust,
basically.
the new exhaust, the boost turned up, the 100 octane, the intakes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm kidding. Oh yeah.
Dude, it sounds so freaking good.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of the sound of that exhaust?
It's crazy.
Dude, it sounds so good.
Without being actually too loud, you know? Like it's just
Dude,
nice.
so that was one of the things with this exhaust. Like everybody was saying that the Tomei Titanium is like super loud and like you can't hold a conversation in the car when you're driving and all this
Better
stuff.
than my car.
Dude, yeah, your car's way louder than this.
Yeah.
It feels way better than the first time you rode in it, right?
Yeah. Dude. Balls.
It rips pretty good,
Balls.
dude. Like I'm pretty pleased. It sounds so awesome.
I mean, I literally can just do this all day. It's ridiculous.
Oh, we got a tunnel coming up here.
Oh, yeah. Oh. because I'm not driving,
Oh.
but I feel like it feels like it drives so tight.
Dude,
Like everything feels so dialed.
it's so much better. Like, it feels insane compared to, like, I mean, we thought it felt really good the first, couple days of driving it around or whatever
Insane,
when
yeah.
it came off the trailer, but like,
Yeah.
dude, this is like, I don't know, it's like just doing a few mods, cleaning up some stuff, fixing a few small issues, and like,
Yeah.
it's like a whole nother animal.
Yeah.